Introducing the ELECTROmatic system, electrics made easy with KaVo. In this video, you will see an overview of the three KaVo ELECTROmatic versions: ELECTROmatic, ELECTROmatic Plus, and ELECTROmatic Premium. Upgrade your pneumatic treatment unit with the ELECTROmatic electric motor system and get constant torque, controlled speed, quiet running performance, and versatility.
Let's take a look at how KaVo electrics provide maximum performance.
The ELECTROmatic provides entry into the world of ELECTROmatic. The ELECTROmatic Plus gives perfect control with programmable settings. The ELECTROmatic Premium is an all-in-one device with both prep and endo mode. KaVo ELECTROmatic units have superior performance while being easy to use. Let's start with superior performance. The units have high power and precise speed. In addition, the ELECTROmatic Plus has an LCD color screen, works at a constant speed under virtually any load, and is very quiet for patient comfort. It operates at high torque even at the lowest speed.
The latch-type burr at the right is operating at 1-to-1 transmission at 100 RPMs.
It works at a constant high speed even at a high load.
The diamond burr at the right is operating at 1-to-5 transmission at 200,000 RPMs.
Finally, it's versatile. It's perfect for high speed, low speed, and endodontic applications. Now, see how easy KaVo ELECTROmatic is to use. It provides wide versatility and can be installed quickly and easily. The ELECTROmatic Premium has an intuitive user interface with a vivid 4.3-inch color touchscreen. It's an all-in-one device with prep and endo mode. There are selectable pre-programmed file systems, selectable gear ratio of the handpiece, as well as torque control, auto reverse, and auto forward functions. You can easily select your next file and see real-time torque and speed while working. Finally, let us show you how to easily set up the unit.
The ELECTROmatic comes with an electric motor, tubing, controller, and transformer.
Simply connect the 4-hole turbine tubing, connect the motor tubing with KL703 LED motor, and connect the electrical line. That's it! The ELECTROmatic is now ready to use. Ready to learn more? Just head to www.kavo.com/electromatic.